Hi everyone! Welcome to By Dabilo. Today I'll be showing you how to make Skillet choc chip sundae using the Woolworths Food chocolate chip cookie mix. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. We're going to need Woolworths Food chocolate chip cookie mix, espresso grounds, smoked sea salt, an egg, some butter, lots of chocolate chips, ice cream, an ice cream scoop, a spatula, and a cast iron skillet. Now let's go through the chocolate chip cookie mix to see what's inside. Remember, everything in this mix is already measured out for you and it makes it easy to work with. Our kit has the sugar mix, yummy dark chocolate chunks, and flour mix. The first thing you're going to do is add your sugar mix to your butter, then mix it until it's pale. Add your egg, followed by the flour mix. Next, you're going to add your chocolate chunks, chocolate chips, and espresso grounds. Now that your cookie dough is ready, you're going to spread it into your skillet. And lastly, sprinkle your smoked sea salt flakes on top. Bake your giant cookie in the oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes or until the edges of the cookie are golden brown. Now that your cookie is out of the oven, you're going to let it cool for about 10 minutes. Get your friends together, cut your cookie into pizza-like slices, get a scoop or two of ice cream, lay it on top of your cookie and enjoy your sundae on a Sunday. Until next time, bye!